Welcome to the Stardust Insights. Today's episode is all about edge of the horizon technology. Our mission today? Pull out some of the most interesting bits, generative AI, quantum computing, and other innovations, and really look at what makes them special, the tech behind them, and the potential impact they might have. Where should we start? Well, given how central AI is becoming, maybe we start there. First up, Panjaa.AI, a startup from Macedonia, which is working on generative AI dubbing. Now, what does that mean? Imagine you've got a video, maybe training material or a marketing piece, in English. Panjaa's platform uses generative AI not just to translate the words, but to create an entirely new voiceover in, say, Spanish. And here's the kicker. It mimics the original speaker's style, and even adjusts the lip movements in the video to sync with the new audio.
Je tiens à tous vous remercier d'avoir regardé nos vidéos, car sans vous, Beast Philanthropy ne pourrait pas soutenir des organisations aussi novatrices que Hospitals for Humanity. Así que de verdad, desde el fondo de mi corazón, muchas gracias por ayudarnos a hacer un trabajo increíble en todo el mundo.
No more awkward, badly synced dubs. That's a game changer for any business going global. They already worked with TED, and apparently one of the case studies saw 150% boost in global engagement after using Panjaa. It could really change how stories and information get shared globally, breaking down those language walls. So, from AI voices, let's move on to the quantum tech. This chip might be the key to scalable quantum computing. To run quantum programs, you need clusters of entangled photons. But right now, most methods are like flipping a coin. That's why current systems are huge, complex, and energy-heavy. The quantum source is flipping the whole thing on its head. Their goal? Create entangled photons deterministically, meaning reliably, on demand, no guesswork. They trap rubidium atoms on a chip, right next to tiny optical racetracks called micro-ring resonators. First, they hit the atom with a laser, then emit a single photon, and again repeat. And then comes the cool part. Another atom acts like a sewing machine needle, stitching those photons into entangled states. The result? Entanglement that's compact, efficient, and scalable, which could bring us closer to practical quantum computers that solve real-world problems like drug discovery, molecular simulation, and climate modeling. Quick pause. If you're loving this tour of tech that matters, there's a link in the description you should check out. That might be the most comprehensive guide on top startups you'll find anywhere. We've done all the groundwork so you can jump right into the top 30 tech startups, key trends, real-world use cases, and much more. This guide is created using data from the Stardust Insights Discovery Platform, the largest innovation intelligence tool globally, tracking over 7 million startups and 20,000 technologies in real time. From quantum computing to AI, the guide covers it all. It's precise, actionable, and it's completely free. Give it a look. It might just inspire your next big idea. All right, so from the quantum world, let's jump to the metaverse. One company that stands out is Beyond Metaverse from USA. The report highlights them for their work in healthcare, specifically what they call a metaverse hospital. So what does that actually mean? Beyond Metaverse is building a fully immersive virtual environment designed for healthcare. It supports haptic devices, which means you can actually feel things in the virtual space, and it uses AI to enhance the experience. It's an immersive AI-powered environment for real-time collaboration, surgical training, and even live telepresence during procedures. They won the AI XR Award for XR Healthcare Solution of the Year in 2024, along with other honors in medical training and XR innovation. And yes, this isn't just concept stage. They've already carried out successful digital surgeries, connecting teams in places as far apart as France and Myanmar. Proof that the tech works not just on paper, but in real life. Now, let's round out this deep dive with one more company, Helical Fusion from Japan. Talk about ambition. They're working to build a man-made sun. Seriously, their goal is nuclear fusion. Clean, near-limitless energy. The basic principle? Smashing together light atoms, hydrogen isotopes like deuterium and tritium, at incredible speeds, forcing them to fuse and release massive energy. So, what's unique about helical fusion's approach? And it's all in the name. Their reactor design uses twisted electromagnetic coils, a helical structure. These coils create a magnetic cage that holds the ultra-hot plasma where fusion takes place. The goal is stable confinement over long periods, which is crucial for generating usable energy. And here's the kicker. The magnetic field comes from these external coils only. That simplifies the system and makes the plasma more stable and predictable. They're taking a comprehensive approach, developing the entire system in-house, bringing deep technical expertise, and, importantly, focusing on real-world implementation. Not just lab experiments. It really is mind-boggling, a man-made sun. From immersive hospitals to fusion reactors, the scope of innovation today is incredible. If you found this as fascinating as we did, definitely dig deeper. Grab the full free guide linked below. Link in the description.